Alright y'all, I'm back for another video. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my car, get it ready for the road trip. But first I need to fix my subs, bro. Subwoofers. I got two kickers, 10-inch kickers, but look at the box, bro. Look at that. Looking so ugly. Okay. The reason why this happened, bro, because I had probably like a year ago or something like that. I had one of this here and they bust open. Hold up. Is this leaking too? Finna say, bro, because this look like it's leaking. But yeah, this is what I did like a year ago. That bust open inside there, and I guess this would start messing up after that, bro. Because this one wasn't underneath here, bro. I just flipped it. Cause just look at that, bro. If I didn't flip it, all this dust going here, bro. Look at that. Now I need to clean my trunk and everything too, like vacuum it. But you can see I got this right here, bro. We just gonna patch that up. Cause it's still good, like it still works. It's just the looks is so ugly, bro. We gonna fix that. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now this is how it looks like after. It looks ghetto as hell, but at least it's not gonna be everywhere anymore like that, bro. Makes it dirty as hell. Hey, as long as it's still working, we good, bro. Let's get it. Okay, I just thought about it. Para hindi parang tanga yung itsura ng aking speaker. For it not to look like, you know, look ghetto as hell, bro. So I thought about just flipping it, bro. Flipping it back again.
Oh yes.
Why I ain't thought about that? Okay, let's do that. Bro, this is heavy as hell, bro. How is this being so heavy? Is it being this heavy? God damn. No way. Man, look at all that, bro. I gotta clean all that right there. Coming from all these trees right here, bro. But as you can see, still kind of look ugly, but you can see the style right there, bro. Why is this box is so damn heavy, bro? It's supposed to be like this heavy? Damn. But yeah, now it don't look ghetto anymore, bro. Let's get it. All right, let's go, y'all. Time to clean the car. How my keys look like. I don't got the push button, bro. Not that rich. Damn, bro. I need some gas, brother. Sheesh. Kind of started already, but gonna get it right now. Tapos ko lang mag-vacuum. Hindi perfect yung vacuum ko pero ayos lang din. Ito naman kasi fully detailed ang gagawin ko eh. Kumbaga basta malinis lang. So tapos ko mag-vacuum itong nilalagay ko. Pang punas ng mga yan. Lahat yan. Upuan. Kahit ano diyan pwede ito pang punas. It's also smell good. Alright, look at that. Featuring new car smell. So it helps with the smell of your car too. Feel me? Okay, so basically all I do is fold it like that and then spray some on the rag and do that. Smells so good, bro. Makes my car smells good. That's all it matters. Gotta smell good. Ako, nahulog na. What the hell, bro?